Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an unboxing for these Lego VIDIYO minifigures. These are brand new and it sounds really cool. You can download an app and make music videos, and these boxes contain one minifigure inside. We found these at Target and we're going to open them up and see what we got. So it sounds really cool. There's different minifigures based on different genres of music and it looks like a lot of fun. So I'm going to open the first one and then I'll let Jackson open the rest. Do you want to unfold that and we'll take a look? This is one of the ones that I wanted too. So I saw some like sneak peeks of pictures online, and this was one that I thought was really funny. So you can't tell what's inside their boxes, so you're not able to feel for them. But here's some of the pieces we got. This looks like a fox character. And then there's a couple tiles that come with it. And you can use that to like decorate the backgrounds and make a little music video. It's got a boom box. This is super cute. So we're gonna go ahead and build him and I'll give you a better view of what he looks like. So here's our first minifigure. Lots of detailing and printing, very cool looking. And then there's instructions on how to snap this together, and you could display the tiles that came with it as well. So Jackson, if you want to go ahead and start opening one of those, I will show them the insert that came with it. Okay. So you get one person, 3 tiles, and here are some of them. The ice cream man is the one we really want. I also like the shark. I think he's really cool. And there's the one we just got. A bunny. There's all sorts of ones. Who do we get, Jackson?
Bunny. You just said bunny and I opened it. It was bunnies.
And here's the back where it shows you how to build.
Oops, flying.
Very cool. And then you can download the app and make videos. Seems really fun. It's interactive like the hidden side. Do you want to go ahead and build it?
Yeah.
How cute is that? Okay, go ahead and build it. So here's the minifigure and the tiles that came with that one. That one's pretty cool too. Little bunny. And we have 2 more left. You want to open one? And I'll open one at the same time. Mm-hmm. They're just lightly taped on the side. Ah man, we got a repeat. Oh no we didn't. No we didn't. It's a cheetah looking guy.
And we got the ghost guy.
Oh, that one's pretty cool. We have all the hidden sets, so that's neat that we have a ghost figure. So let's build them. So here are the bricks that came with this one, and instead of a boombox, he's holding a record that has some palm trees on it. I think these are really cute. Really good idea too. And then the ghost one looks like this, has 2 microphones, comes with a ghost brick and a few others. Which one's your favorite, Jackson?
The one that you're holding.
Yeah, I like the ghost and I like the fox. I think those are super cool. I'm sure we'll pick some of these up in the future. So if you guys are interested, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more Lego videos. Bye guys.